Hey guys, it's your girl Moya Loves, and I'm back with another video. Alright, I'm trying not to use so, okay? I'm really trying not to use it. So we're gonna see how many times I use the word so and basically in this vlog. This is pretty hard. Okay, today or tonight, I am just showing you guys my little routine of what I do. Someone or a couple of people actually ordered a bunch of, I call them premium size cocoa shea aloe butter and some scrubs. So I did mention to you guys, okay, I just said so. I mentioned to you guys the other day that I'm going to start doing wholesale. And if you're interested, let me know. I can't do it, guys. I have to say so. I can't do it. So today I'm going to show you me making some wholesale orders that I have for some people and some premium orders that some people have requested that I make. Today I had about one person. She ordered 3 16-ounce cocoa shea aloe butter, and she ordered one facial hydration oil or serum, facial hydration serum. Then I have another order for the cocoa shea aloe butter, 1 16-ounce jar, and then I have another person who ordered another 16-ounce jar of the cocoa shea aloe butter. So the cocoa shea aloe butter never stays in stock. Like, I'm always making that one, like, because it's just so good for your skin naturally, and especially in the wintertime, and especially for those who have eczema and extreme dry skin. Like, the cocoa shea aloe butter is everything. That's what I use personally. I love it, and it's just naturally scented. So today that's what I'm going to be making. My daughter's actually sleeping. And I was just doing other stuff like printing things out on the on my laptop because I've been in a little funk. I'm gonna be honest. I haven't done much because I've been in a little funk. I haven't been feeling too well, and I just felt mentally exhausted. So I kind of like said, you know what? Take a couple of days to yourself. Don't do anything. I really haven't been posting because I've been busy with work, like real work. And then also, apart from that, just coming in, I've been mentally drained. So I haven't been doing much. I haven't been creative. And I kind of felt like lazy in a sense because I'm not being productive on my own business. So today I got out of that funk and decided to put myself to work and be productive as possible. So yeah, so today I actually got a few things done. I actually got a lot of things done, to be honest. So just gonna show you guys. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you guys comment and like. Make sure you guys also are mentioning your business, where we can follow you, and please drop your website below so we can take a look at your website. All right, so I'm not gonna keep you guys any longer. Let me show you what I'm gonna be doing today. So I'm in the kitchen now, and I'm about to whip up my cocoa shea aloe butter, and it's raining outside. So I'm just gonna vibe out, put on my song that I actually have on repeat all day. I'm gonna play a little snippet of it. It's, who is this? Roddy Ricch. I don't know, I just heard it today in a mix, and I'm just like hooked on this song. I like this song. Let me stop. Let me get to work. I just made one batch already, so I'm gonna go on to the next one. This is just freshly whipped cocoa shea aloe butter, and I just scraped it out and put it into the 16-ounce jar. So I'm about to make about 4 more batches actually. So let me get my stuff. This. So like I said, hopefully you guys' day has been productive. I'm here putting in my butters right now. So you guys can see. Alright, there's much better, I think. So I'm just putting in my butters. The butters are very like nourishing, moisturizing. I make sure that I do a lot of research and get the most moisturizing, skin benefiting ingredients for your skin, because you definitely want to keep your skin moisturized so it can, you know, be glowing. 2020, we need to be glowing all summer 2020. So that goes in there. And I don't melt my stuff because I don't want to, like, you know, cook away any like skin benefiting agents that are in the butters. So I just whip them so they become really soft, and then I put my secret oils in them, which I'm not going to tell you guys what it is. You guys could do research. Research is your best friend. Research, research, research. But yeah, if you guys haven't tried this yet, you guys definitely need to go online and definitely try this Cocoa Shea Aloe Butter. Especially for those with sensitive skin or eczema or extreme dry skin, this is perfect for you because it doesn't have fragrance. Doesn't have any fragrance. So, yeah. So I'm gonna put this to whip this up to stop it and get the sides just to make sure that everything is, you know, mixed in properly or evenly. So I want to put my oils in, my secret ingredients in, and you know, it's not evenly distributed. So that's what I'm doing right now. It's so fluffy already. It's not even finished. Back again. Alright guys, so this is the finished result of the Cocoa Shea Aloe Butter. So now I'm just gonna place it into the jar. I'm gonna fix this at the side so you guys can see. So I got these big jars. These, show you guys. So these are the 16-ounce jars compared to the 4-ounce jars, if you can see. Alright, so this is how big it is. You could definitely go on the website and purchase it. I put it on the website for everyone. So now I'm just going to place the Cocoa Shea Butter, this here, into the jar here. And then to get the air bubbles out, you just go down like that. No, I don't want to disturb anyone. And that's how it is, nice and creamy. Just like that. So this didn't fill up all the way to the top, so I'm gonna have to top it off. So I'm gonna go and make more and be right back. Alright, so I'm finished with making the large batches of the cocoa shea butter. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And this is how it looks. Very creamy, very nice. Give you a little test. Just to the side. Cover them actually. I have some left, so I'm gonna have that for the house. Put this to the side and have the remainder for the house. Just want to show you the texture. And let's put on this side. Just show you. Don't mind my veins. My veins are always sticking out. We don't even need that much. This might be a bit too much. I'm gonna put this in, and you're just gonna see. Like, it is so creamy and smooth and nice. You see how it dissolves in the skin but leaves it really nice. Nice glow. And that's it. Cocoa shea aloe butter.